In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location and country on eBay. If you need to update your country or region on eBay, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you've moved, if you're setting up your account details correctly, or if you just want to make sure your personal information is up to date. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your account so you can make the change without confusion. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top left area of the screen and hover your mouse over your name. When you do this, a menu should appear. This menu gives you quick access to different parts of your account, and it's the starting point for making profile-related updates. From that drop-down menu, click Account Settings. This will take you to the section where eBay stores the main details connected to your account. If you've never visited this page before, don't worry. It's a standard settings area where you can review and manage important account information. Once you're in account settings, click Personal Information. This is the section that contains your personal profile details, including items like your location settings. It's the area you'll need whenever you want to update information tied to your identity or region. After that, look for the Personal Info section and click Edit. This opens the fields so you can make changes. If eBay asks you to confirm your identity before letting you edit anything, just follow the on-screen prompts. That extra verification is normal and helps protect your account. Now find the country or region field. Click on it and select the country you want from the available list. Make sure you choose the correct option, since this setting can affect how your account appears, what shipping or billing options are shown, and how certain marketplace features work. Once you've selected the right country or region, review the information carefully before saving. It's always a good idea to double check that everything matches your current details so you don't run into issues later. And that's it. That's how to change your location and country on eBay. As a final tip, after making the update, take a quick look through the rest of your account information to make sure everything is still accurate and consistent. That can help prevent problems with purchases, selling settings, or account verification in the future.